Sci-Ti, an automated title generation system. Authors need to title their texts, but coming up with an effective title is a complex task and can be difficult. We created a working computational system prototype called Sci-Ti that generates short and relevant titles for complete or partial scientific texts. This system can assist authors title texts from formal research papers to lay scientific publications, with the goal of making the process of generating titles easy.
At a high level, Sci-Ti's title generation process works as follows. It takes in multiple percepts in the form of sentences and words from a text document. It maps these percepts to key points, so important words or concepts, and then it produces titles that are relevant to those key points. At a more technical level, Sci-Ti has three modules: pre-processing, word weighting, and title generation. First, Sci-Ti takes in some text, splits it up, filters out unimportant words like stop words, and calculates basic scores, like frequency, for the remaining words. Sci-Ti uses these scores to calculate overall weights for the remaining words, with words at the beginning and end of the text having higher scores. These weights are used to help fill in part-of-speech templates to generate some titles that are then fixed for grammar. Sci-Ti produces 10 titles that are presented to the user in a ranked fashion based on the sum of word weights in the title and its average word weight.
Now we'll show off a quick demo of Sci-Ti in action. We start off by choosing an input text in the form of a plain text file. Here I'm choosing a brief article about dark matter. Sci-Ti will generate 10 titles based on the input text. Sci-Ti will also display relative scores for each title based on the weights of the words in the title. If the generated titles don't strike your fancy, you can also generate new titles with the push of a button. And just for fun, Sci-Ti can also pull completely random words from the input text to create some wacky titles, instead of generating descriptive titles about the text. That wraps up what you can do with Sci-Ti right now.